Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to customize 404 error page on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log in into your account. Now, from the left hand side menu, click on Online Store. Then, click on Pages to open your list of store pages. Now, click on the Add Page button to create a new one. In the title box, type Error 404 as the page name. In the content section, type the message you want customers to see when they land on a missing page. For example, you can write something like, "Oops, this page doesn't exist," or "Sorry, we couldn't find what you're looking for." Then, use the formatting tools to style the text. You can change the font size, add bold or italic text, or include an image or a link back to the home page. Next, click on the pencil icon next to the search engine listing preview. Here, enter a page title and meta description to describe the error page. This helps with SEO even for error pages. Then, in the URL handle field, type 404 so Shopify knows this is the customer error page. Now, click on the Save button. Once saved, you can click Preview to see how your new customer 404 error page looks. Now, as you can see, your customer message appears and it's more helpful and branded than the default one. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.